Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so hello sa lahat ng Taurus. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 23 to 29. Okay. So, bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from this deck that would be the overall energy ng reading ninyo for this week. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Taurus na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba kung mag-resonate ang reading. At sa mga bago, please subscribe na rin kayo para updated din kayo sa mga videos na pinapost ko. Okay? Salamat po. Okay, sige. Simulan na natin. Okay. So, first card. Ooh, Three of Swords. Second card. And Ace of Swords. Okay. Okay, ang nakita ko dito, from Three of Swords to Ace of Swords, you were hurt in the past. There's a heartache, a heartbreak, a loss sa nakaraan mo, but mapapalitan siya ng something better. So there's a heartbreak and separation, but there will be a new and fresh start. Someone, I think, ang nakikita ko pa nga dito is babalik itong person ninyo. Mag-initiate ng contact and communication. Okay? And hihingi ng kapatawaran sa heartbreak or sa pain na dinala niyo sa life ninyo. Pero tingnan natin muna in detail kung sino tong person na to. Okay? So, habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig lang sabihin, hindi ko nasagap ang energy ninyo. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na. Or, panoorin nyo yung mga past videos. Baka isa dun ay mag-resonate. Kasi timeless naman talaga ang tarot and oracle reading. Saka best pa rin na mag-book kayo ng personal reading kasi mas naka-align and naka-tune in sa energy niyo yun. So, kung gusto nyo, message lang kayo. Nasa description box yung email address ko. Magre-reply naman ako agad. Okay, so let's see. Bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this. And interpret natin. First card. Okay, 5 of Wands. Yeah, may issue nga. So, King of Cups. Okay, 4 of Wands. Okay naman. Oh, 2 of Cups. Okay, pabalik nga tong tao na to. This is a person na nakasakit sa inyo. King of Wands. Okay, King of Cups, King of Wands. Okay. Ace of Cups. Mahal kayo ng tao na to. 7. Queen of Swords. And last, 2 of Wands. Okay. And bottom of the deck, what is incoming is 10 of Coins. Oh. Okay, sige. Gets ko na. Alright, so from 5 of Wands to 2 of Wands, and then what you don't see coming or hidden energy na di nyo napapansin sa relationship, pero meron is the 10 of Coins. Alright, so yes, nagkaroon kayo ng conflict, nagkaroon ng issue in the recent past that caused that 3 of Swords energy, which is a heartache, okay, and emotional pain, diba? Separation between the two of you. Pero, na-realize talaga ng person ninyo na nagkamali siya. And Naregret niya talaga na nasaktan ka. Nakikita ko dito, mahal ka nitong tao na to. Two of Cups, Ace of Cups, di ba? And then the ten of Coins. Mahal ka ng tao na to, sobrang naregret niya na nasaktan ka niya. Sobrang naregret niya na ayun, nagkaroon kayo ng separation. Kasi dito, this person will really be accountable. Mas, yung loyalty niya talaga, as shown here by the King of Cups, ay nasa sayo. This person felt secure nung magkasama kayo and gusto niya talagang bumalik. And as shown here by the Four of Wands, talagang gagawin niya ang lahat ulit to reunite with you. Four of Wands is a card of reunion, another milestone in your relationship. Tapos, it's really a twin, Four of Wands, Taurus at twin flame din energy, 11-11. Makikita nyo yung parang dalawang wands dyan. And Two of Cups, mahal kayo ng tao. Gusto niya nang ma-reconnect sa inyo na relationship, mag-start ulit ng romantic relationship with you. And dito sa King of Wands talaga is that mas maging honest na siya sa mga nararamdaman niya. And may sense of leadership ba? Responsibility, proactive in approaching you. Ace of Cups. Kasi gusto niya maging magkaayos kayo talaga. Kasi mahal ka niya, masaya siya sa'yo. At yung sense of fulfillment talaga, nakikita niya yon with you. With the Queen of Swords naman dito, ikaw naman, you're wiser now. But here, darating siya, but you want i-communicate niya clearly and properly yung intentions niya. Okay? Yeah, you'll be more firm with your boundaries because nga nasaktan ka in the past. So, mas nag-up yung boundaries mo. Mas umangat yung mga non-negotiables mo. So, kung babalik siya, gusto mo clear, maayos, malinaw, ano yung intentions. Okay? And here sa Two of Wands, there will be a decision na kailangan mong gawin. Pag bumalik itong tao na to, tatanggapin mo ba siya or hindi? Is this what you want or not? Okay? But, as in here, with the hidden energy or what you don't see coming is the energy of the Ten of Coins. And the Ten of Coins is a card of settling down, working it out, being stable, di ba? May mga unexpected na mga gains. So, yeah. So, kailangan nyo upuan. You really have to be wise in making your decision. Okay? May decisions kang gagawin. And as seen here naman with the King of Swords, you had the wisdom based on your experiences in the past and your mga values mo. Alam mo kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin. Tignan natin ano yung overall, ano yung advice ng universe. I will seal this reading with the oracle card from this deck. It will be the message from the universe. So let's see. The third card. Faith. Okay. Tingnan mo, manalig ka lang. Have faith. Have faith that this person has really good intention. Have faith that everything will go well. At sinasabi din ni universe na mahal ka naman niya talaga. At nakikita ko nga dito na sobrang niregret niya yung ginawa niya sa'yo. Sobrang nalungkot siya, nasaktan din siya na nasaktan ka niya. Okay? But that doesn't mean din talaga na basta-basta mo rin tatanggapin yung tao. You're more wise na ngayon. But have faith sa relationship na everything will go well. Have faith na itong person na to ay darating siya with good intention. Okay? So it's really important na mag-usap kayo. Alright? So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Okay? Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa akin channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Kita-kits! Ingat!